Hello everyone, welcome to a new video tutorial. In this case, I'm going to teach you how to fix the error of the soundboard in Discord if you don't have the option. Where first I'm going to show you, of course, we open Discord, and it's important that you know that this option is not available if the members of the server we are in is more than 50. So only if it's less than 50, this option is going to be. So as you can see, what we gotta do is first we gotta make sure that the members of the program, as you can see, are less than 50, and then as you can see here, I have this option available. So now once we check that problem, if it's not that problem, we have to go to here and settings on configuration in Discord. So we right click here and we search here on audio settings. So here in audio settings, we're gonna make sure that the microphone we are using is not on default, is on the microphone from our laptop or the device we are using. So if that doesn't work, again, what we're gonna do now is to make sure that we are not in a community. So we right click on the server, and I don't have this option available, but if you have, you just have to go to community, and if you are in a community, you have to leave from that community. So if none of that works, we just gotta try the last option. With this should work. We just gotta click Windows plus R and then open this Windows. We put %app data percentage, and then we gotta search the Discord folder. Once we find it, we have to delete it and then reinstall Discord. So it's really simple. If none of these work, I highly recommend you to use the web player, and it should be working. So thank you very much for watching this video. If you like, comment, like, and subscribe.